founding Executive Secretary of Akalan, Mr. Tamazight. Participants at this important consultation meeting from the three important languages that we are dealing with: Arabic, Amharic, Tamazight. Welcome to this meeting. I want to just make a few remarks. The role of the language commissions in the work of Akalan has been very, very important, because it is through these language commissions that a lot of the work that Akalan is doing is realized. It is an irony that of the 12 languages that we agreed to be vehicular language border commissions in 2008, at a meeting we held here in Addis Ababa, February 2008, only 2 have not had language commissions inaugurated for them. And the 2 are the ones being inaugurated today. So that's why I say today is historic, in the sense that we are now completing what we should have done for all the 12 vehicular cross-border languages that we recognized in 2008. And I'd like to pay tribute to Mr. Tamazight, who was the leading, driving force in the realization of the commissioning of these languages. His successors have taken on the duty of ensuring that more language commissions were committed, and in fact, the present Executive Secretary, Dr. Danfa, has been working in the same way to get more languages to have their language commissions established. One of the new things we did is to recognize some languages which are not, strictly speaking, cross-border languages, but they are important. We recognize them as mega languages. We've had language commissions established for one of them already. It's Zulu. The one we are doing today is the second one, which is Amharic. And I want to say that this is important because these are languages in which a lot of work has been done. They are not like some of the languages in which we are just starting afresh, trying to see how can we have vocabulary, how can we have terminology, and so on. Already a lot of work has been done, and these languages have been used in various domains, particularly in education. So that is why I want to say that this is very important, and in due course there will be more of such languages which will come in. Therefore, I'd like to just conclude what I'm saying by thanking everyone who has been involved in this work. And I'd like to recognize in absentia Professor Sami Chumbo, who is the current president of the Assembly of Academicians. With these few words, I'd like to say welcome and thank you very much.